Is your Dell Precision screen not turning on? We're Kelatos IT, experts in technical repairs. We pick up your device right from your door, run a free diagnostic and send you a quote before any repair. No calls, no travel needed. We're located at Calle Joaquin Maria Lopez 26, in Madrid. Link in the description. A screen that won't turn on could be due to a faulty display, a bad connection, or even a dead battery. We carefully check all components, ensuring the issue is identified and resolved effectively. A screen replacement or connection fix could get you back on track in no time. If you don't want to risk it yourself, at Kelatos we pick up, fix and deliver right back to your door anywhere. Link in the description.